If your drain pipe disconnected from the trap arm, you gotta fix it fast to avoid leaks and nasty smells messing up your space. So, here's the deal. First, turn off the water under the sink or wherever the pipe is. Grab a bucket to catch any water that drips out. Trust me, no one wants a mini flood. Next, check the pipe and trap arm for any cracks or warps that might have caused the disconnection in the first place. If everything looks good, clean both ends with a rag to get rid of any gunk or debris that could stop them from fitting back together snugly. Then, use some plumber's putty or silicone sealant around the joint to make sure it stays sealed and won't leak again. Screw or clip the pipe back onto the trap arm. Sometimes you'll need a new clamp if the old one is rusty or broken. After you've got it all reconnected, run water and watch closely for any drips to make sure the fix worked. If you see leaks, tighten the connections a bit more or add extra sealant until it's dry as a bone. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with drain pipe disconnections is ignoring signs of damage like cracks or rust, which just leads to repeated leaks and bigger problems. Always inspect carefully before putting things back together. Another common issue is not using proper sealants or clamps. Just jamming pipes together without a good seal will cause leaks almost instantly, so make sure you have the right materials on hand. The third problem is rushing through the repair without turning off the water first, which leads to water everywhere and a bigger mess. Always shut off the water supply before touching anything plumbing related to keep things clean and manageable. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing, so you're not stuck with shady or overpriced services. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get work from people who really need help fixing stuff like your drain pipe problem.